Gunter's existence in 2018, but it was in 2019 when he did release the No Fear album that struck chord with me and made me love him. I first heard the second dance song from that album, and it really resonated with me. By then, I wasn't so much on the internet. It was in 2021 when I started to follow him up in order to get recognized. And guess what? The More Life, More Vibe challenge I posted on my IG account, and I did tag him, made him recognize me. From there, I didn't step back from showing him love. What do I like much about him? I really appreciate his energy and passion, both in his music and his social presence. His dedication to his craft and ability to connect with his audience through his songs is truly admirable. And of course, his music has a unique style that stands out, and I really love how he infuses different sounds into his songs. According to what I know, the Guntalk family is massive, man. Beenie has a huge following, and his fans show a lot of love and support for his work. All you have to know, we're taking it to the world. You talked about me posting more videos, keeping on one track of Beenie Gunter. Like, when I'm doing all that, I don't care what others will say, what people get fed up of the sound, or have overused the sound, I don't care about all that. It's all about that passion and love for the artist. So when you're a huge fan like me, you just can't help but keep sharing multiple videos of the same song. It's like each video will have a different expression of admiration for Beenie Gunter. Who cares about the trends when I'm dedicated to loving and supporting my favorite artists? Eyo abaana b'oku TikTok yebabukira trend eno yeriko katikano eno sound yeriko oba in order their videos to go viral, I don't know. Zero numbers basibiraba. Sometimes I just can't resist from using different sounds, but when it comes to Beenie Gunter, my heart knows what it wants. So it's that connection and loyalty that keeps drawing me back. It's all about love and passion, as I said. So sifayonza ate kibajja kugikowa sound kugiba kuba mpaka kuwulira bubi. I came across the news about Beenie Gunter's arrest in the UAE through our Guntalk group from one of the admins. It was quite a shock, and I actually didn't believe so, till I sent a text to his baby mama for confirmation. I was caught off guard when I heard about his arrest. All I had to do was to use my social media handle, the X app, TikTok, then my ID account, to get news out to more people. I posted a free Beenie Gunter hashtag with my fellow Guntalk citizens, and it raised awareness. During Beenie Gunter's arrest in the UAE, quite a movement to reach. As I told you, we posted the Beenie Gunter hashtag that raised awareness. By doing that, we managed to get support from various people without mentioning them specifically. Twakuba hashtag ejja mpaka kuwulira ubi, most especially in the X app. Twagikuba mpaka we are trending nga teri kuzikiza. Wove no ku app, woda ku TikTok, woda ku IG, wonna ku kebera ki, who has posted agambye atya. Of course, bad mind tebabulawo. Mwalimu abagamba it's a stunt, Beenie ayagala come back, biki mutulekerawo wabya abantu. tebannamusibako tunoonya mawulire. All that did hurt us, but we didn't stop from doing what was right. Twasigala kumulamwa. Twasigala kumwa. Just know it was a challenging time, but our efforts in getting the word out definitely made a difference. Nze nganze mu butalimba nabirwaliramu because my phone was constantly active, almost frozen. Nga nveeno wenkebera eno nga we freezing nendagako storage full nengawa what? Kati muli bintu nabiyinza laga nti nebuuza storage gye yajjulira nga ng'olina deleting ate gyo deleting oluusi oyagala okunoonyayo update bannange. I just don't know, but because I was determined to keep looking for and sharing updates, nali sobola stopping. So ebyampisaamuko bulungi, but twali twagala finally kyatuukirira. Kama yawulira essaala zaffe ne bamuta. How was it by the time I received the news? I remember that day vividly. Mama. Just know it was such a roller coaster of emotions. Beenie yankubira at around zaali sawa ssatu, I guess. Ssatu kunya. Ngamba enkyanzija. Then he told me those bemba ngambako so that we can make a program. Tugende tupikinge. The joy and relief were overwhelming. A feeling of happiness and excitement towards sharing by all of us with the Guntalk citizens. Just know that this chickilies, I was like, it was a moment of pure elation. They kept me up the whole night. And was you know that feeling when you just can't wait for something awesome to happen. That's how I was. I was so pumped up. I just couldn't stop thinking about that amazing moment of finally meeting him at the airport. The anticipation was so real. Either how we felt it that day with one the experience yali incredible. Yali such an emotional moment. Okumulaba ku airport naye byonna byali ssanyu, though that support okuva mu Guntalk was truly amazing. Abo baaliwo to welcome him back. Eyo moment yali truly unforgettable. Eyo amasanyu like the love and joy mweyo moment it's indescribable. Guy gwe sasobola kwerabira kwebaza Kevin promoter Kevin, I guess you know him. Yeah. Ebyo nabya happening nga Beenie okumota n'embeera yali egenda. It was because of him. Yaliyo naye teyavaayo ate kwerabisanga balala be bavaayo boogera kino balaga kino baagala likes banoonya likes. Teyavaayo, yet he did a very big role in okulaba nti Beenie bamuta, because Kevin's dedication and hard work to secure Beenie Gunter's release from jail truly deserves my deepest appreciation. You know, it's heartwarming to see such unwavering support in times of need. That guy, man, I just don't know. Just so his efforts made a significant impact. I'm so grateful for his commitment to the cause. Kevin Promoter, you have my deepest thanks. Tamale Olives is a Ugandan, aged 21, based in Kampala, a student aiming at doing mass communication. I would send a message of love and appreciation to both the Guntalk and Beenie Gunter's family. It's all about spreading positive vibes and showing support for the Guntalk for the music, for the music and the community they have created. It's so awesome. It's really so awesome to see how music can bring people together and create such a strong bond. Then to the fans of DX3 Media, I would say thank you for the support and taking time to know me and my favorite artist, Beenie Gunter. Your interest means a lot, and I appreciate the opportunity to share my passion with all of you. Keep spreading love. Thank you.